Today, we've got some exciting news for Dodge enthusiasts, particularly those who are passionate about the brand's iconic high-performance models. Welcome to Carnival Top List V2, your go-to spot for all things amazing, exciting cars news. Please like, share, subscribe. While several of Dodge's beloved vehicles like the Challenger, Charger, and the mighty Ram 1500 TRX are heading for the history books, Dodge is keeping the Durango around for 2025 and even bringing back the Durango SRT Hellcat. 2025 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat, a surprise return. The Durango SRT Hellcat was initially released as a one-year special edition but became so popular that Dodge has decided to extend its production for the 2025 model year. For those who didn't get a chance to experience this beast the first time around, it's a 710 horsepower monster that's perfect for collectors or anyone who loves raw, unfiltered power. This move is somewhat surprising since Dodge has been scaling back production of certain vehicles, but the Durango SRT Hellcat has proven to be a fan favorite, and it's great to see Dodge listening to its audience. So, for enthusiasts looking to own a piece of muscle car history, this is your chance to snag one before it's gone again. Powertrain and performance. While the Durango SRT Hellcat keeps the same 710 horsepower supercharged V8 as its predecessor, there are also rumors swirling around potential changes for the 2025 model year. While specifics are still under wraps, it's possible that Dodge could introduce an even bigger, more potent engine for the North American market. For now, though, the Hellcat engine continues to reign supreme, delivering an insane 710 horsepower and 645 pound-ft of torque, with various drive modes that allow you to fine-tune throttle response and traction. The Durango SRT Hellcat promises a ride that's both dynamic and versatile, handling everything from street racing to rough off-road terrain. The Aisin 8-speed automatic transmission also ensures quick, precise shifts, while the adaptive suspension system allows you to dial in the ride quality to suit any driving condition. Whether you're on a fast highway stretch or navigating winding mountain roads, this SUV is built for maximum thrills. Why it's so special? The Durango SRT Hellcat is essentially a three-row muscle SUV with the heart of a high-performance sports car. It combines utility and raw power in a way that very few vehicles can match, and that's what makes it so appealing to enthusiasts. Whether you're towing, racing, or just cruising, this SUV delivers an experience that's nothing short of exhilarating. Dodge's decision to keep it in the lineup for 2025 is a win for fans of performance-driven SUVs. 2025 Dodge Journey. What to expect? Now, moving on to the Dodge Journey, which has been making waves as a potential comeback model for 2025. While it's still largely speculative, there are some updates worth discussing. The Journey is a small crossover SUV that has been around for a while but is set to return with a few tweaks for 2025. If you're familiar with the Chinese version of the GS5, you'll notice that the Journey is essentially a rebashed version of that vehicle with a few modifications for the North American market. Overall, the 2025 Journey will remain a compact and comfortable crossover that's simple to drive, agile, and well-suited for urban environments. It's expected to keep its reputation as an affordable and practical option, with a solid array of modern tech. As we continue to watch Dodge evolve, it's clear that the brand is still catering to its core enthusiasts while also staying adaptable to the shifting automotive market. Whether you're looking for a high-performance SUV or a family-friendly crossover, Dodge has you covered in 2025.